not a lot of people because people are kind of not in Athens during summer. I think a better time to come in Athens is in fall. We're going to just walk to the central market area right now and see how it is. But it's pretty nice. Everybody's kind of chilling out over here, drinking, having a couple of drinks, having a good time. It's about 6 in the evening, so kind of the heat is going down, although you know the sun doesn't set till about 8:30 in the evening. But people are having a good time, listening to music, having some food. So let's go over to the central market area and see how it is. It should be quite nice. That's where a little bit more touristy stuff is, but I hear there's some good restaurants. Need to get some food, so let's check it out. And how beautiful it is over here. You can see Athens right from here. Very neighborhoody. I love it. I love this city. I'm having a very good feel about this city. Nice cafes. Everybody's kind of chilling, hanging. Super European city. So I hope you're enjoying this with me, because I'm enjoying showing you this beautiful place. So we are close to the central market section of Athens, and look at this beautiful building. And just opposite to that is graffitis and a very urban feel to it. Everybody is zipping on in their little scooters. So we are in I think this area is called Plata. It's Monastiraki, and it's all kinds of restaurants, bars, everything around, a lot of activities, and there's a whole historical area over here. Lots of restaurants, people are sitting outside. It's a little bit touristy, but worth coming over here. You can smell the gyros and the meat over here. This place is worth coming, definitely, if you're in Athens. Kind of the Times Square of Athens, I would say. But there's free market, there's a lot of things. And guess what? Behind it is that Acropolis. So how beautiful it is. In the middle of the city, you can see the ruins. That's the Acropolis. It's just amazing. You only see this only in Europe, like Rome, Athens. These are the places you see this, but there's a lot of touristy things going on. And by the way, when you're here, be a little bit careful, because I hear that just you know, every city has its good and bad, but sometimes people say be careful over here. That's all. But I have never seen anything that's anyway threatening, or you know, people have tried to harass me or anything like that. It's a beautiful country, beautiful people, very nice. But look at this. Look at the ruins. This is just amazing. This is why we come to Athens, and I'm very sure in the evening this will all light up and it's going to even look more beautiful. But voila, welcome to Athens. This is why I came, to check these places out and feel the energy of people. Now, I'm at a rooftop bar over here, just across from the Acropolis, and look at the view. This is just amazing. It's amazing, dude. That's the town square. We were there downstairs a little while back, then just came up over here. But wow, and look at down over there at the far, how beautiful it is. And you can see the entire city from here. This is just amazing. And there's a fantastic bar over here. If you're in Athens, definitely should come over here, and I'll put a link below of this place. So this hotel is called A4 Athens, and I'm having a great lager beer. It's a Greek lager beer. It's a local beer, and in this heat, cheers. It is so refreshing. There are other rooftop bars as well. I don't know whether you can see from here, but there is another one I can see. So A4 Athens is one of them. 360 degrees is the other one. So I'm going to put the link below. So if you're in Athens, definitely check out this place, because this is a $1 billion view that you have. So this is kind of in the central market area, but it's after 6 o'clock, so everything is closed. But you can see how beautiful this whole architecture is over here. And there's a lot of graffitis and all that, but it has a little bit of that grungy look to it. But it's fantastic. It has that urban feel. So I'm going to end the video over here today. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.